Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to turn off time sensitive on Snapchat. This video is for you if you're seeking for ways to disable time sensitive notifications on Snapchat. So, the very first thing to do here is to simply locate your phone settings. You can exit the Snapchat application and go to your phone settings. And here you have to look for your Snapchat application. You can search it right here. Search for application management, or you can simply or directly search for app list. Or if you don't have this one, you can just simply type Snapchat if you want. Okay, once you type the Snapchat, the application will appear, and all you have to do is to click that application, go to manage notifications, and for some phone device or Android device, you can see an option here, time sensitivity notifications. Time sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour. But since in my settings I can't find this one, I have other options for you if you want to turn off some notifications here relate to that or close to that. All you have to do is to toggle off this green button here. This time-sensitive notifications may appear and stay for an hour on the lock screens. It may interfere with a crucial meeting, presentation, or Zoom class, and is compatible with a number of apps, including Snapchat. So if you don't want any disturbances, or if you are going through a meeting or presentation and you want to try this, all you have to do is to follow this method. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.